Did you know that most beginners spend a lot of time in their first animation only to create something that doesn't look good? Are you one of those beginners? Hi, this is Mark Diaz for 2danimation101.com, and in this video, I want to talk about how you can save a lot of time in your animation and at the same time, massively improve the quality. So, a lot of people invest a lot of time in their animation and it doesn't look good in the end. And it's a shame because after all the hard work, the animation is not improved and the time invested is gigantic. Lots of energy wasted in a poor result. So what if there was a way to do this better? Well, there is. There is a very simple way that you can start applying right now. That will do two things for you. One, it will save a lot of future time invested and energy and time. And two, you will find the best version of your animation before you even start working on it. Super cool, right? This simple tool is so powerful because it's so simple to use. And it's accessible to everyone. And yet, not everybody uses it. Why? Are people insane? No, not really. To be honest, this tool is normally ignored because people underestimate its true power. So don't make that same mistake. This little tool was designed to actually predict the future. I'm not kidding. It was invented to see what something would look like before it actually existed. Now, here's why I love this. A lot of people have amazing ideas, amazing stories, incredible anecdotes that can make people laugh or even create an impact on their lives. Some people have ideas that can change the world, and I'm super excited when these people become my students and let me know they plan to turn those amazing stories and ideas into animation. Only one problem though. When I finally see the animation, it doesn't look good. And that's a shame. And with time, I noticed okay, it was not their fault. It was my fault. I failed them. Now, I'm not saying this in a negative way. I'm actually pretty optimistic because after years of teaching, I finally found the reason why their animations didn't look the best way possible. Here's why. Ready? Okay, it was because one very simple thing. They didn't have a clear visual idea of how their story would look like. As easy as that. They didn't have a clear idea. If you think about it, the audience sees what you show them. They can only watch what you actually show them. Nothing more, nothing less. They can only see what you show them. So, if you show a sequence of images that are boring, well, they will get bored. If you show them a sequence of images designed to get them excited, well, they will get excited. Knowing what to show to your audience is the huge difference maker in answering if your idea will look good or not in an animation. So I started this video with a simple problem. How can you save a lot of time and massively improve your animation? How? This is the answer. By having a clear visual idea of what you're going to show to your audience, to the people who's gonna watch it. What you show has to be exciting. Showing boring images makes it boring. Showing exciting images makes them excited. So, what tool can you use to develop this clear visual idea? By the way, this tool is so simple that a lot of people underestimate its true power. It not only helps you save massive amounts of time in the future, but it also helps you massively improve your animation. It was actually invented by Walt Disney, and it is the reason why he is the person to this day, the person who has earned more Academy Awards than anyone on this planet. In total, he got 22 Oscars and 59 nominations. That's insane. So, what is this tool that made Walt Disney so great? A tool that he invented and that you can use today, that you probably know it, but you don't really know its true power. What is this amazing, mysterious, and powerful tool? Well, let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, this is so exciting, and I'm looking forward to see if you guessed it correctly. Now, here are a couple of hints to help you guess the answer. Okay, this tool is free and available to everyone, okay, no matter their skill level. Another tip is that this tool was invented by Walt Disney in the 1930s. Another tip, it's the reason why Walt got 22 Academy Awards and 59 nominations. Another tip, this tool helps you save a lot of time and energy in animation because it promotes smart work over mindless hard work. Because really, you can put a lot of hard work and your animation can still suck. And lastly, the last tip, it helps you find the best version of your animation. Okay, this is Mark Diaz for 2danimation101.com. Take care.